From not good enough, echoing like a broken record, to stars falling from the sky, the poem Beethoven is bursting with poetic devices. Repetition, it is to put emphasis on a certain idea or a certain fact. In the poem, Beethoven is repeated frequently. It is to remind the reader of the central figure, a vulnerable child who became a musical giant. Not good enough. So this refrain of Beethoven's father is repeated to show the constant soul-crushing pressure that the composer faced. Listen, so this word is used as a command at the beginning and end of the poem, emphasizing that the most important way to know Beethoven is through his music, not his biography. This is metaphor. So this is the poetic device. As you know, it is used to make comparison without using like or as. So it is metaphor is used in the line, let the music invade their nervous system like an armada marching through firing cannonballs. So it portrays the overwhelming, immersive power of Beethoven's compositions. So here the music is compared with an army. Then in the line, his fingers cramped up like the gnarled roots of tree trunks. It shows the exhaustion and torture that Beethoven experienced during his relentless practice. The deaf have an intimacy with silence. It is actually a paradoxical metaphor which suggests a deep and unique relationship with the world without sound. Imagery, visual imagery which describes his fingers as gnarled roots and his music creating cosmic collisions with the stars began to fall from the sky. Personification, as you know that personification means to give human-like attributes to non-human things. So it has been given in the line, you see the deaf have an intimacy with the silence. So here silence is personified. It was like joy was a tangible thing, like you could touch it. So here joy is personified to make it a physical reality. Watch love and hate dance together. So here emotions are personified. So the description of music invading the nervous system like an army is also a form of personification of music. Juxtaposition, I don't know if you have heard this word. So this poem contrasts opposing ideas to highlight Beethoven's struggles and victories. Hyperbole, so the poem uses exaggeration to emphasize the colossal impact of Beethoven's music. For example, in the line, causing comets to collide, creating crescendos that were so loud they shook the constellations. Enjambment, and in enjambment, you know, it is a literary device in which the lines of the poem, it ends with no punctuation mark. Like, share and comment on the video, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates on beauty of language.